Ready? I think we're gonna go faster now. Yay!
Look, this is like a four-wheeler?
Should we wave to these people? Should we wave? There's some people over here. Should we wave to them? Yeah? Look at the water. Are you waving? Balloons, you're right.
What color are they?
Are you ready? Oh, look at the birdies. Ready? Are we turning around? Are we turning around? Do you see the track makes a circle? You know what happens when we turn around, after we turn around? We go fast again.
Ooh, do we like to go fast?
Yeah. Do you see the water? Yeah. Ready? Pretty soon we're going to be going fast again. Are you ready? Are you ready? 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 Here we go. We're picking up speed.
I'm glad to see you smiling, Alex.
Are we riding the carousel back?
I don't know how she'll do it.
Yeah.
Last year she sat on the bench. She would go on one of the
Choo choo. We're coming back into the train station. Back at the train station.